Stop what you're doing. Big news just hit the tape and UUU is on fire. A surprise $1 special cash dividend lit the fuse. The market reacted fast. Shares surged. Momentum is building and investors are buzzing. This is exactly the kind of move traders dream about. Universal Safety Products Inc. is a focused safety products company with a history of delivering value to shareholders. They operate in an essential sector, safety and protection, where demand is consistent and fundamentals matter. Recently, the company has taken bold steps that are getting the market's attention. Those moves are turning heads and creating momentum. Let's highlight the headlines fueling this rally. First, Universal Safety Products declared a one-time special cash dividend of $1 per share. Multiple outlets reported it, and the announcement sent shockwaves through the small-cap space. A $1 special dividend is a clear capital return signal. Investors see it as management putting cash back into shareholders' hands. Second, the market reaction was immediate. Headlines like stock soars and shares surge followed the dividend announcement. Trading volume spiked and price action showed strong buyer demand. That kind of response tells us institutional and retail traders both noticed. Third, smart money is stepping in. We saw reports that Alt Milton C. III bought shares, and media tracked increased sentiment and momentum using big data sentiment scoring and AI-enhanced tracking. Insider and strategic investor buying is a vote of confidence. Put these three items together and you get a powerful, bullish narrative. Management returns cash, the market applauds, and influential investors add more firepower. Why could this move keep running? First, the dividend is more than a one-off headline. It proves management can generate meaningful cash and is willing to reward holders. That attracts income-focused and yield-hunting investors. Second, the safety products industry benefits from steady demand cycles. Essential products rarely disappear from budgets. Third, momentum begets momentum. Media coverage and data-driven sentiment scoring are amplifying the story. Positive news cycles draw attention. That brings new buyers and increases liquidity. Fourth, analyst and community chatter around potential earnings, surprises and upgrades adds another layer. When the narrative shifts from dormant to dynamic, valuations can re-rate quickly. Finally, strategic investors and insiders buying shares adds credibility. That combination, cash returns, steady demand, positive sentiment, and insider conviction, sets an optimistic market outlook. Investors love a clean catalyst. UUU just delivered one. Special dividends attract traders and longer-term holders at the same time. Shorter-term momentum traders chase the spike. Longer-term investors look at the bigger picture, proof of cash flow, and shareholder-friendly management. Add to that high conviction pieces in the press and data providers flagging bullish sentiment. That creates a virtuous loop. If the company follows through with solid quarterly results, or if momentum continues into broader coverage, UUU could attract more institutional interest and push the stock higher. Smart investors pay attention to capital allocation signals. UUU delivered one. Combine that with insider buying and an improving narrative, and the long-term potential looks compelling. This is an exciting moment for Universal Safety Products Inc. The $1 special dividend was the catalyst. Positive headlines and buying interest are amplifying the move. If you're watching small cap surges, UUU deserves a spot on your radar. Hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown. Subscribe for fast, upbeat market stories delivered with clarity. Drop a comment, tell me if you're watching UUU or what catalyst you think matters most. Stay tuned. Big moves like this don't happen every day. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.